Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. So today, before going to start the session, I would like to play an audio for you all. So hear that audio.
Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. My name is Harini. Today we are going to see how to convert a text to speech (TTS) using Python.
Yes, your guess is absolutely correct. This is an output. This is an audio that is an output of the TTS, like text to speech of a Python script. So before going to discuss about what is this text to speech and all, I would like to mention where we are going to use this type of text to speech mostly. So most of the cases we are going to use this text to speech in voice assistants like Google's OK Google or in like Apple's Siri. So in these voice assistants we are going to use this text to speech mainly. So in this voice assistants, the voice is the key role here. So let's see what's in a voice assistant. Like a voice assistant is a digital assistant that uses speech synthesizers, voice recognition and NLP, like natural language processing, so just to provide a service to a particular application. So let's see what this speech synthesis. Like speech synthesis is an artificial production of human speech. So where TTS takes place, like text to speech is a way to convert language to human voice. So that what we call like speech synthesis. So coming to the next one, like voice recognition. Voice recognition is the ability of a machine or a program to receive and interrupt or to understand, carry out the spoken commands, and that's all about this voice recognition. So coming to the NLP, natural language processing. This natural language processing is a subfield of so many categories like linguistics, computer science, information technology, engineering and artificial intelligence. So many, like it concentrates with the interaction between the computers and human languages. So in particular, like how to process, how to analyze the large amount of natural language in data. So that's all about this NLP and voice recognition. So I am going to concentrate mainly on this text to speech, so voice or speech synthesizers in this video. So let me give some examples where these voice assistants are going to help the people. Like these assistants are helping a lot for the physically challenged people, like blind, handicapped people, etc. And these are also helping if you are having a busy schedule and want to catch up with your news or what to and you want to read a favorite article, then this voice assistant will recite it for you. Even while you are walking, exercising, like cleaning, etc., you can do your work. At the same time, you can recite to what you want to do. And coming to the third example, like this is going to help a lot for the old people. As one ages, it's get difficult to read and write, then at that particular, the voice assistants will help them a lot. That's all about this voice assistants and the applications of this voice assistants. Now I would like to teach you how to program a Python script to convert a text into a speech. I know that you are waiting for the coding part, but take a moment for subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, guys. If you have any doubts regarding the content of the video, or if you have any doubts regarding the coding part, please let me know in this comment section. I am always available to clear your doubts. That's it, guys. Thank you. Let's enter into the coding part. First of all, we have to import the gTTS library, where gTTS stands for Google Text to Speech. We are going to download this Google Text to Speech using the Anaconda Navigator prompt. The syntax will be like pip install gTTS, where gTTS stands for Google Text to Speech. When we are going to run this in my desktop, so it's going to show that the requirements are already satisfied. Why? Because I installed it already. I installed it, so that's why it is showing like that. So let's close this one. Now it's your part to install this one. and let's enter into the Jupyter notebook. So we have to import the gTTS library file from gTTS. So after making this line, we are going to import the OS also. So where we are going to use this OS to play the music, to play the speech which we are going to convert from the text. So first of all, we have to create the variable for the text. So I'm going to name it as my text. Under this variable my text, I am going to store a string like hello, welcome, Sai Balaji. So after this, I am going to make another variable like language. In this variable, I am going to store en. So where en stands for English language. So whichever language do you prefer, you can select that one. So here I am going to make another object like O. In this object I am going to call the function like gTTS, and I am passing the parameters like text, that is equals to my text, and the language lang, it specifies language. I am going to call like language variable there, where language that is specified as English, so the speech is going to be pronounced in English language. Like that you can make your own language also. There is another parameter like slow. If you want to make the speech very slow, then you have to pass true. I just needed it fast, that's why I given it false. So after this one, I am going to save the file under the name like hello.mp3. So this will save my file, my mp3 file, and using this OS module, I am going to call this file here. So os.system, I am going to copy the path or the file name. So after copying this, I am going to paste it over here. So let's see what's the output here. Let's run this one.
Hello, welcome Sai Balaji.
That's it guys. We successfully converted a text into a speech using this gTTS library like Google Text-to-Speech. If you have any queries regarding this concept, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.